Hi there, it's Nobel here, and today we just gonna learn a very popular effect in Adobe Illustrator, how to slice any text, how to slice and how to cut down any text in Adobe Illustrator. So in that class I'm just gonna show you totally after top to bottom, so that class is really helpful for you. So let's start it. So first of all, make it type any text. Yes, I see slice. So first of all I made that text monitor here. So you have this option to change this style, change of style, this font. So this one, right? So you see that slice in here, so you can cut down it is perfectly, and whatever shape you wanna cut down it here. So let's do that. So now I'm just gonna show you, it's a now typography mode. It's a now typography mode. So if you want to change any word, so you can change in here, but if you want to cut down, or if first of all you need to make it vector. You need to make it vector, right? So what to do, then press the click your right button on your mouse, then make it create outline. So when you make it create outline, now it's a vector mode. You see that? So you can edit any line from here. So it's a really important thing. So if you want to cut down, first of all you have to create outline your object. So what that create outline, I'm just repeat you again. So for example, S. So that is now typography mode. So when it's in a typography mode, you get that this is shape like that. So you can edit it, or you can choose any anchor point from here. So then press this press your mouse right button, then create outline. So then create outline. So when you create outline, it will be in vector mode. So then you can choose your line segment tools shape in here. So then you just make like that. So I'm just gonna cut down in that line. So in that line, so first of all we just take a line segment tools, and I take that. So then I just together, select together. So then press Ctrl Shift F9, or go to Windows, then choose Pathfinder, or you can press Ctrl Shift F9. So that's how you just press it, this Pathfinder, then divide. That's the divide option, that click it divide. So you can then ungroup it. So when you click it or cut it, it will be in a group together. So you have to first of all ungroup it. If you want to dislike it, so you have to ungroup it. So then just select this below part, then just like that. You see that in here you just get a shape, slicing shape in here. So that's really pretty simple thought, and I wish you get that. And I'm just going to repeat you and another shapes, so you can get it perfectly. So this how you just kind of so it's a cut down in a perfect midpoint. So in here you can make a shape slice. So then I wish you get that. So let's try another sample. So we have this shape. So we wanna cut down it. So just cut it in midpoint. So then the line segment tools is really essential for here. So then select it together, press this Ctrl Shift F9 or Pathfinder tools option in here. So then you just press this option divide. So when you click this divide, it will be ungrouped like that. So now it's ungrouped. So you can then make it ungroup. So then it's perfectly cut down, and then you just again another shape. Shape like this, make it a stroke color, make it 4. So in that, how this little airplane, I just so make it a little bit shorter. So after I'm just remove it, and this. So that's really pretty simple. So if you wanna change your design, if you want to make a design using your text, so this really effective. So that's really effective. So I wish you really get this point and this thought how to do that. So if you don't get it, you can describe me. So this is how you can see on the text your logo, so they make a shape. So this is really pretty simple thought, and that how you just make any shape effect and slice effect on your design. And thank you so much. And guys, I don't waste your time in intro or whatever, so please make subscribe and make this family bigger. So if you subscribe, you can we can make this make it in a big family. So thank you so much. Thank you. You get this your what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And thank you so much.